Pandas read_CSV, reading a Boolean with missing values specified as an int. I am trying to import a CSV into a Pandas data frame. I have Boolean variables denoted with ones and zeros, where missing values are identified with a -9. When I try to specify the type as Boolean, I get a host of different errors, depending on what I try. Sample data, test.csv. I try to specify the type as I import. I get the following error. Value error, cannot safely convert past user type of B1 for int64 typed data in column 0. I have also tried specifying the true and false values. But then I get a different error. Exception, must be all encoded bytes. The source code for the error says something about catching the occasional none, but nonce or nulls are exactly what I want.
You can specify the converter's parameter for the var1 column.
Can you do something like this? T should create you a new column, and if you are satisfied you can just copy over the old one.
The error must be all encoded bytes occurs because the parser is expecting strings, not numbers as values. Your true, false values should be specified like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.